Acetyl-L-carnitine is the acetylized derivative of the amino acid L-carnitine. It can be found naturally in red meat, in particular mutton, and is also produced as a free-form supplement, commonly abbreviated to ALCA or ALCAR. Acetyl-L-carnitine is popping up everywhere in many pre-workout and fat loss supplements around the world. Acetyl-L-carnitine helps your body produce energy. In particular, it helps your body transport fatty acids from stored body fat into the mitochondria of muscle cells, where that stored body fat can be used as energy. This is referred to as fat metabolism. The acetyl chain of acetyl-L-carnitine also has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, where it acts as a powerful antioxidant, increasing mental focus and concentration. Combined with a sensible diet and training regime, acetyl-L-carnitine will help your body reduce body fat. The best time to take acetyl-L-carnitine to take advantage of these effects is about 15 to 20 minutes before exercise. And the most efficacious dose is 1.5 to 2 grams, or about half a teaspoon. Acetyl-L-carnitine goes to work as soon as it enters the bloodstream, which is why we recommend taking it 15 to 20 minutes before exercise. Acetyl-L-carnitine ranges from $30 per 100 grams right up to $50 and $60 per 100 grams, depending on how much of it you buy and the quality of the product. And based on an average price of $40 per 100 grams and an average dose of 2 grams per day, supplementing with acetyl-L-carnitine will cost you about $25 per month.